Welcome to our journey through the epic adventure of Jonah from the Bible. Imagine being asked to perform an impossible task. That's Jonah's story. Chapter 1 opens with God commanding Jonah to go to Nineveh and preach against its wickedness. Instead, Jonah tries to escape the divine assignment by boarding a ship to Tarshish. Sailing in the opposite direction, suddenly a violent storm erupts, threatening everyone's lives on the ship. Key verse alert. Jonah 1:12 reveals Jonah admitting, "I know that it is my fault that this great storm has come upon you." He suggests the sailors throw him overboard to calm the waves. Once he's tossed into the sea, the storm subsides and a large fish swallows Jonah whole. In chapter 2, we find Jonah in the belly of the fish for 3 days and 3 nights, a time of reflection and prayer. This is Jonah's turning point. His prayer ends with a vow to obey God's command, and the fish finally spits him onto dry land. Chapter 3 showcases Jonah's transformation. This time, when God calls, Jonah heads straight to Nineveh, warning its people of impending doom. Jonah 3:5 captures the essence of their reaction. The Ninevites believed God. They repented in an extraordinary show of humility. And God, seeing their genuine transformation, shows mercy and spares the city. In chapter 4, Jonah's reaction is shockingly human. He's angry at God for sparing Nineveh. Jonah 4:1 highlights his frustration. Jonah was greatly displeased and became angry. He's so upset that he wishes for his own death. God uses a leafy plant and a worm as a teaching moment, questioning Jonah in Jonah 4:10-11 about his right to be angry over a plant, but not for a city full of people. The story ends with a profound lesson on compassion and divine mercy. Join us as we unravel the layers of faith, obedience, and forgiveness in this captivating tale of Jonah. This isn't just an ancient story, it's an ongoing invitation to explore the themes of second chances and immense grace. Thank you for joining us on this journey.